Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to send BUSD from Robinhood to Uphold in 2025. If you're looking to move your Binance USD, BUSD, for better investment opportunities or just to diversify, this step-by-step guide will make it straightforward and hassle-free. BUSD is a stablecoin, so transferring it securely is key to maintaining your fund's value. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Robinhood and Uphold. Log into your Robinhood app or website. Once you're in, navigate to your portfolio section and locate your BUSD holdings. It's usually under the Crypto tab. Click on it to select the amount you want to transfer. Remember, double-check your balance to avoid any surprises. Next, head over to the Withdrawal or Transfer option. Robinhood might prompt you to enter the recipient's wallet address. Now, switch to your Uphold account, log in and go to your wallet section. There, you'll find your Uphold BUSD wallet address. Copy that address carefully, as any mistake could send your funds to the wrong place. Paste it back into Robinhood's transfer form. Before confirming, review the transaction details, including any fees involved. In 2025, network fees for BUSD transfers on blockchain networks like BNB Smart Chain could vary, so keep an eye on that. Once you're satisfied, hit confirm and wait for the transaction to process. This usually takes a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, hop back to Uphold and refresh your wallet. You should see your BUSD arrive safely. Pro tip: always enable two-factor authentication on both platforms to protect your assets from potential hacks. If you run into any issues, like delays or errors, check the Blockchain Explorer for your transaction status. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred BUSD from Robinhood to Uphold. This process is a great way to manage your crypto more flexibly. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and happy investing.